Alright guys, figured I'd call it a night. It's freaking super cold out here. I'm out here in my Carhartt. And, but I'm out here in my face mask. That tells you how cold it is. But got my patch panel down. Like I said, the ones ain't the greatest. They're better than what they were before. So got that in there. I just got to shape this out better where I can connect it. Weld that up and it should be done. Do this side here like I told you. I still got the small passenger side to do. And this floorboard I gotta do. So I'm not gonna grind these welds off. I'm gonna leave them as is. Just paint over top. That's what I'm gonna do. But, like I said, it's getting cold out here, so I'm gonna call it a night. I don't know how this happened, but it happened. So, oh well. But still usable. It's not that good, I guess, to say. But oh well. What I need to do is get my goggles that I want to buy that are for welding. Because I already have a pair on my head that are for grinding. I would have these on my head. Never too safe. So usually they're put on the ground. Somehow they end up getting broke. So, alrighty guys. Figured I'd show you what progress, what I got. So, there you go.